You've just won $1 million. Excitement peaks, right? But then reality hits. How do you transfer that cash to your bank account without someone snatching it away? Cash App, right? It's quick, easy, and convenient. But let's be real, scams are lurking everywhere, just waiting to pounce on your hard-earned money. So, how do you navigate this digital minefield? Stick around. Cash App has become our go-to for sending money to friends, family, and even businesses. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's generally pretty safe. But let's face it, there are a bunch of scammers out there, ready to exploit any opportunity to steal your money. So, how can you protect yourself? First things first, let's talk about the most common scams. You've probably heard of the infamous cash flipping scam. It's where someone promises to double or triple your money if you send them a smaller amount first. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it is. Another common scam involves fake customer support messages. Scammers impersonate Cash App to trick you into sharing your personal information. And let's not forget the good old-fashioned phishing scams, where you receive fake emails or texts asking for your login details. So, how do you avoid falling victim to these scams? It starts with education. Know the red flags. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always verify the identity of the person you're sending money to. And never share your personal information with anyone, especially if they contacted you unsolicited. Next, let's talk about security. Cash App offers several security features to protect your account. Enable two-factor authentication, set a strong password, and keep your app updated. Also, be mindful of the public Wi-Fi networks you use. Scammers can intercept your information if you're not careful. Now, let's dive into some practical tips. When sending money, double-check the recipient's information. A simple typo can send your money to the wrong person. Use Cash App security features like cash tags to verify the identity of the person you're dealing with. And if you're unsure about a transaction, take a step back. Don't rush into sending money. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. But what if you do fall victim to a scam? Don't panic. Contact Cash App support immediately and report the incident. While there's no guarantee you'll get your money back, it's essential to take action as soon as possible. So, there you have it. Sending money on Cash App doesn't have to be a risky venture. By being aware of the scams, taking advantage of security features, and following some simple tips, you can protect yourself and your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep your money secure.